have a super glamorous fashion challenge. We are going to draw and color a beautiful flower manicure for a Barbie doll. Blows a heart kiss. Look at these magical nail polish bottles, the cute diamond ring, and this sweet heart sticker. Are you ready to give our doll the most beautiful nails in the world? Give me a high five through the screen if you love painting your nails. Let's start sketching.
The magic begins. Grab your mat.
Let's sketch our fashion hand. We draw 5 elegant fingers with long, pretty doll nails. Look at this. On her finger, let's place a beautiful diamond ring. Now, let's sketch the salon tools. A magical flower-shaped nail polish bottle, a classic pink polish, and its little brush ready to paint. Can you wave your own fingers to the screen like a fashion queen? You look beautiful.
With the light, giggles tumble, watch us fly beneath a happy smiling sky. Princess Valeska's meadow day. Let's laugh and sing and play all day.
Coloring. Cream. Pink.
Time to splash some magical colors.
Purple.
Do you prefer pink or purple nails?
Pink. Purple. Pink. Gray. Lilac. Light blue. Gray. Yellow.
Let's paint 2 nails with a lovely purple and 3 nails with a sweet princess pink. Now, look closely. Let's add cute little flowers on top of each nail.
Red.
Yellow for the petals, and a bright red dot for the center.
Blue.
Wow, it looks like a real flower garden on her fingertips.
White. Sparkle.
Our manicure drawing looks gorgeous, but it needs a final touch of diamond glitter to shine like a superstar. Can you help me make the magic beauty spell? Rub your hands together, count to 3, and blow some magic dust to the screen. 1, 2, 3, blows. Wow! Look at all those shiny white stars and crystals glittering all over the nails, the bottles, and the heart. It's so sparkly and magical. Our salon day was an absolute success. Besties! Now, I need your royal vote. Which color did you like the most on the flower and huzz? The sweet pink or the magical purple? Leave your comment below and I will give it a big shiny heart. Don't leave my beauty spa just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more sparkly art stories. See you there! Bye-bye!